Hiya guys, glad you could join me. Just need to adjust the drive chain here on the ZX. She's on spec, but you can hear it all slapping around a bit. It's not particularly nice. And to be honest, the bike gets a little bit of abuse, so obviously we want to try and make sure that things are good. Last thing I want to do particularly is hurt either myself or the bike. So if we can get this split pin out. I've got a feeling this is going to be very tight because, to be honest, I think the guys used the wrong size split pin. That seems to be coming out all right. We won't be putting this back in, so yeah. Okay. One of the big problems with this is having a hollow shaft. Doesn't make it any easier. There she goes. Well, it wasn't going to fall out, I guess that's the point. Okay, so I've taken the slack off. Let's have a look. We are on one. And not quite one. So if we find the centre point of the chain, probably right where that mark is, I'm going to put my roller there. We're on roughly 60 mil. Pull that up. We're on roughly 30 mil. So we've got about 30 mil of slack on the chain. We're going to make that just a little bit smaller. Just crack off the lock. Take that. Been turning that the wrong way, haven't I? Right, better. Too much. Okay, so that's roughly 2 points of adjustment out. Let's just tighten up the lock nut just a little bit. So what we're looking for is, as you can see, there's a lot more slack on the chain there. Then I'm looking for tight spots. Actually, I think this is bedding in a bit. Can't seem to find a particular tight spot. It's a bit looser there. That went over my fingers, possibly. There is the tightest. 65 on that bit, 50 on that, 65, 55. We can definitely bring that out a bit more. $60, $40, $60, $40. That's good. I'm going to make the same amount of adjustment on the other side to square the wheel up. A lot of people, you know, they complain that I might be running the chain slightly out. I'm using the standard marks on the swinging arm. They're usually good enough, believe you me. I've never really had a problem with it with a straight bike, and this is a straight bike. The chain can take a slight misalignment of angle. Let's make that adjustment and see how it looks. So I've made the adjustment. What I'm going to do is just spin this a few times, and I'm looking where the chain lies in the sprocket. And the chain definitely seems to be running heavier on this side of the sprocket, which would mean the wheel could be very slightly towing towards the front on the right hand side. Okay, it's unusual. So what I might need to do is, it might be adjusted too far out, and it does look it on the settings. Maybe this is where the chain noises come from. Maybe it wasn't particularly well set in the first place. So I'm just gonna settle that back a bit. That's looking better already, but a little bit more might be in order. Well, that's looking not perfect. That is looking a little bit closer, but we're still not quite there. getting a lot happier. Let's check our temperature, because that will obviously have affected it. 60, 40, 20 mil. I think we're there. I think we are there. So what we'll do now, span it out. Right. That does feel a lot better. Okay, get a split pin in there. Job's done. Oh, look at this. Brand new pack of split pins. It's nothing quite like opening a brand new pack of stuff. Savour the moment. I've got a feeling these pins are stainless steel, which is quite fortunate. Nice. Yeah, the way that's sheared, I'm pretty sure that's stainless. Take that on. It's all out there. There you go, secured. So the last thing, once we've got the knife blade in, just tighten up the adjusters. Really strange thing, 12mm on one side, 13 on the other. I'm not quite sure what's going on there. Job done. Well, hope you enjoyed that. Something a bit quick in it for a change. Catch you later.